park because in my land say you fit not park. First of all, you go crack in gun.
To show you say.
To show you say if you not park, you go poof you. So I think we need to learn. There are so many of these situations when we say we fit just even use tear gas. What do they call? What did be the other one again? This water bullet.
Water cannon.
Thank you. Thank you. All those ones, you go use them. Make the gun come last.
Now it go be the final option.
Make the gun, they always come last. Because this matter, at the end of the day, if we come investigate, if I thought, say, proper investigation go see happen, because we know ourselves, we know our matter, they take die. If they go fit investigate well, come discover, say, actually, they innocent, and call. But at the same time, I know they talk to them, they innocent. Because our soldiers themselves not be mumu. When go just carry the shoot any after us, they come here, I pass plenty for road. None of them shoot me, none of them shoot anybody. So something go see there inside the matter. Before police go they carry out that kind of action. That's why I see them.
But in this kind of matter now, where we say, the military decide to say, okay, make we Kukuma do it, make we decide what thing will happen here, make we put the law into our hand. Say, is it appropriate for the military to say, okay, make them take action, rather than allow the people who are supposed to take action, which is the law enforcement agents like the police, to come intervene into that matter? You understand? So that if say police come in at that point in time, it should say we will not avert this problem. Rather than say, okay, we don't feel we wait for now, we are just too impatient to say we want to wait for police to come. Make we enter straight up into action.
That one where you yourself follow. But the truth we say, we dey live for country where nobody they believe anybody. You supposed to say Nigeria may not to send Nigeria police that kind of message where you they talk. Say something they worry army, then army go fit fold the hand. They wait make police come. No, I never see.
But now the appropriate thing to do.
Yes, now they talk now the appropriate thing, but you get one kind bad orientation and big culture when don't they inside us. That is why, because don't forget to say, because me and you and the ordinary person for street, not to believe say police they give justice too. Then another level where you go still understand. So sometimes when you rely on police too, they feel for your hand. That is why sometimes you go see army go just go ahead, go do what they sabi do first, which is not the best like you talk. Not be say it's supposed to be. But as it don't be like that, they can't do them like that. So make we learn against next time. Because this one already happened. Now make it not happen again next time. Now we go to work on.
Exactly. Comrade Murphy, make we come from this angle now. When our Oga, the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant Colonel Toku Buratai, when he make the appearance before the Senate Committee on Security, him and other service chiefs and the Minister of Defense, then they ask him, say, how this whole incident take happen, and I go quote him verbatim. He been talk say, you want to know how I escaped? It was by the will of God that I was able to escape from that place. In can talk say he be like say in they should say some television people did there and then get video of what happened. Say those Shaik members they're very very violent and waiting the intention when they get for mine it's they very very clear. Now coming from the person when we say now he be the major player for this place. If English say now only God save him to escape, say people won't buy him. Make we keep this one for one side. Then number two, make we come. I want try balance waiting in talk and waiting. These our Shiite people then talk. Now them talk say waiting then they do. Now normal thing when we say every year then they always they do. Say they go gather for that place. They go hoist the flag in commemoration of that celebration when I don't talk about. Now, if these people, they do this thing every year, the question won't go ask me, say, normally they block road, they put bonfire, because bonfire not be Christmas lights, tono. Bonfire na say, you light fire, put for somewhere. That one a bonfire. Now, if you they go about your activity, if this thing I say you just want hoist flag, waiting can consign fire when they burn for inside this particular issue. The people when we say they give permission, say okay, maybe people when they local government, security people when go there to ensure safety. Then they are aware say this kind of thing happen because everybody knows say okay, the Chief of Army Staff they go that place. He gets visit the 73rd Division of the Nigerian Army. He go the graduation and he also want go see the Emir of Zazao and they get advanced party people when they go ahead of him to clear road. So it just be like say this particular issue. We hear one people's story, we hear other people's story, but we need to understand exactly what happened on that particular day. Because if the person when we say in the position of the Chief of Army Staff, person when be say he get security around am, he get military experience, just like me when get military background. This kind.
See, Chukwudi, please. We have a guest here. Please respect yourself. Don't they bring in this military? Chukwudi, please. Look. I've had enough of this your military talk. You don't
allow me finish.
Why allow me talk? No, even respect yourself. Which can come with military background all the time. And yet, the situation that happen, I never even for once, I see you make an attack, say, look, may I go give them military intelligence? May I go give them military idea? And they will take for you. Military, which one? Say back here, don't have a nursery school you get. Which can talk with that? Mind yourself. Respect our guests today, yo. May just talk the issue. No, they bring in your own issue.
When he say he get military experience, he means so many things now.
No.
Maybe live near barracks before.
No. If not that one, no problem.
Maybe live near barracks.
Maybe
before.
you live near barrack before. And maybe just they pass through barrack gate. Just they look what that happen inside.
Or when it's small, they one or two things they go sell for barracks or they go buy.
Aspire to become say you want business.
One thing.
Please ask your question. Don't bring in military intelligence or military background to this matter, please.
Come on, you be like say you dey support am.
No, I dey try to defend you. Say even when you say you get military experience, if it be say you live near barracks.
That kind of thing.
One thing they carry you go barracks, they come out.
Ask your question. No, see, don't just at any point in time bring in military background into this. Just ask your question straight up.
Okay. Oga, Comrade Murphy, when carry waka come here to come follow us discuss this matter. Make it be saying that this matter you discuss because as you don't begin the show and support
waiting. Now party for person gets to look. I know him before. You know him before. He was just being playing.
Okay, comrade, make we just go straight to this particular question now. Our chief of army staff don't come out before the Senate Committee on Security. Tell them say now by the grace of God, now he takes survive assassination attempt. This thing a grave allegation, assassination attempt. And this the information from the camp of the Shiite sect, they talk say they don't do anything, then they go about themselves peacefully. You think say the way this thing dey, monkey hand dey inside this arrangement. We need to know more things about this issue, yes. Or we go just accept and say okay, our army oga don talk, and na so the thing go be.
And considering the fact say to add to this, considering the fact say Buratai don't come and talk say look, say some media people dey there, and basically wetin that one mean say footages go dey, pictures go dey. Then at least for us to be able to at least they are certain say yes, so say the side wey start up the wahala or see the people wey you go blame. At least they go also need to at least bring out this thing. Make they take and carry out any investigation they will carry. How it takes time.
The matter now you see, sometimes when things they start, now be our problem. Our government feel not take them serious, our people feel not take them serious. They go just they look calm, everybody go just they minding business, and especially they worst when the thing can be religiously affiliated. That one na problem. The other Sunday I did one radio program. As we talk everything, everybody they happy with the flow. Our callers they happy with us. As soon as we talk inter-religion side, they begin call us name. Now how bad the thing they do when matter don't they go religious side, and our government really needs to position very well and know how to tackle these issues from when they start. Because now if this is what they claim, say that they do this thing every year. They bonfire, do this and that. And government, all this why not talking anything. It don't almost become say now they are right. But another side be say, if they do them every year, it means also say army they see them every year too, and army never fight. So if you do every army they see every year and army not fight you. If army can't fight you this time, that means he get as the thing waka, you go down cross your boundary.
If you talk say that you go down cross your boundary, make we believe say make we look at this way. We don't hear say this same sex say somehow they don't get issues with military over time. Like last year they say this same sheikh say 3 of him Pekin. Say the party of in Pekin, you understand? Yes. So which means this is something we don't they build up gradually.
Bam.
And each say this thing, you should notice say each say this thing is something where they are fresh. Maybe say maybe they never get issue over time. And maybe they just run into this sect, they conduct their annual yearly activity. Should notice say if for they more cordial. They forget agreements. Okay, make we pass. We make them give them way. Rather than say wetin we come eventually see am. Going by far say the build up of this problem don't start from somewhere.
Yes, now them again. Those who don't kill our person before. Not forget, see that one self see join. Say okay, now army. They don't first kill our person before. You know, I don't see situations where people go just see policeman for road attack them. Because one policeman somewhere be done kill somebody when come from that vicinity. That anger don't first day. So if you watch the whole thing, you go not say army with this, but don't first get problem before. And I don't know as I go tell you this thing when concern religion. I think an opportunity to be this. Make I take 10 Nigerians. Make we dey careful about them. God, from any angle where you see him, I'm not sure saying a troublesome God.
No.
I'm not sure say they find trouble. So if you want really say you won't follow him or you won't worship him, any way you want take, they arrange your matter with him. You need to also do him in a peaceful way. You need to also obey the law of that land where you dey, so that peace go dey, so that your religion go grow. You, under normal circumstance, the Shiites not get any reason to dey clash with army. They not get any reason. So for them to clash with army, something don't happen. That is it. So make the relevant agencies do a very thorough investigation. Make them do a thorough investigation. Make we know what really happen before somebody slaps somebody, somebody come bite somebody. Now the thing what I see for there. But make people, when they do religious activities, they careful. They should be law abiding too.
Comrade Murphy, make we don't see certain footages for on top of social media of the soldier people begging the sect members, some of the sect members. Now, waiting they very, very clear, although nobody will verify the video we don't see.
Yeah.
But it is very, very clear, say, if you check the way when we say the army people, when they beg them dress, you go agree, say, na Nigerian army. And from those who don't come out for road to protest, say, okay, why this kind of thing happen? When they dress like the sect members, when they inside that particular video, we feel still look and say, okay, make we look this video. And some people don't confirm the language when they speak, say, okay, this language, the language when we say, now our language, and all of us understand them. But some other people don't come talk and say, they be noticed some one or two people carrying some kind things for inside the video. And person when be say, he talk, say, now this kind of thing he won't do, and he won't do it peacefully. What he be in business with that thing when he hold? Take, for example, if I dey go birthday party, I can't carry cane. You go begin to look and say, is that say my pikin when I say make you no go the party when I won't go flog, or na part of fashion? But if the cane no come be part of fashion, now be say you don't turn to weapon be that. Now make we come look now. We get army people when be say then still come down, try beg them, say okay, we won't pass, make una come out for road. But it can't be like say the thing enter their body. Make we bring religion into this issue, even though we know it's a very, very sensitive issue to discuss. But you think, say, our religious leaders, them, and by this one, I mean, irrespective of where the kind way when the person talks saying they worship or the religion, you think, say, they don't get plenty role to play in letting people know, say, our religion, they preach peace, they preach tolerance. And one way when we go use religion when we say they're peaceful and they're tolerant of others, now the way we take live with each other, don't use our own activity affect other people. What do you think is supposed to be the role of our religious leaders for this kind of issue?
The role when our religious leaders supposed to play, when they know they play, boku, the boku where despite the religion, all of them, they fail one way or the other for things where they're supposed to they do.
I mention them, more than no time.
One, why religious leaders no go fit first of all preach peace to their people, and even when they preach the peace, then they practice them. Why religious leaders? They take laws into their hand. That same program, why I tell you, I did some days ago. My friend was supposed to join us for studio. He come late. What happened? He travel. They don't block Ibadan Expressway. This thing they happen now, you know, almost even you, all of us don't express them. You know, if you pass that Ibadan expressway, some religious people usually block them as far as they're concerned. Now they are right, oh. So you know, go they law abiding, they do all those things now. That are number one. Make them try, they recognize the laws when they land. Then thirdly,
Oga Yusuf, before Oga Murphy, before you carry on with all this one when you don't talk, because we be emphasizing and say not to pro fast solution because we don't see the problem, not to move on for the problem. I like the way we say you don't start with say, okay, oh, this now waiting our religious leaders supposed to. When we collect this call from Lekki, Oga Yusuf, they call us from Lekki. Oga Yusuf, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Yusuf.
Yeah, Uncle B, I like the juice of capo.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So what thing I want to talk there is there?
Hey, Oga Yusuf, oh, chai. Okay, Oga Yusuf, I beg, try call us back, but we get Oga Bobby all the way from Amsterdam on the line. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Yeah. We greet you, Oga Bobby.
I will start with our Nigeria religion leaders. Them, you know, one thing to say, with the wash. That is, I'm not going to include myself gender because I don't believe in those lines when Nigeria they take. They worship pastors and imams. Then you understand me now. You have the Quran, you have the Bible for you to read, to understand the context when they're inside. Somebody not going to tell me something differently when I see beside the Bible or the Quran, saying that what they talk with this, they manipulate the word to enable to suit his need. You understand me now? So it go for enable to preach what he want preach, you know. So Nigerians when they Nigeria there, they worship pastors and imams them. That's one of the bigger problems. Religion, if you talk about, according to the guests, what they talk, if you just mention to, you talk about the religion matter, they go attack you somehow. Oh, I dare you. Oh, that's not the problem. That's not one of the problems. Then the matter of between the Nigerian army and what they happen. So, it will be say it has to be. The army, first of all, they're supposed, if the army or guard they come in the road, they never come alone. That's not what they're supposed to, everyone's supposed to know. So definitely the army go say, we like to want clear road, their boss pass. These people now not go let her pass. Now there the problem will come from. And when they go consider now with guns. But definitely guns go there with their hand to all those people there. So now then the chaos will come from. You understand me now? Because
we get you.
Carry, you say?
We get you. We get your point. We get your point.
So if they carry gun, I mean, man, when see a civilian carry gun, it get a CP now.
Exactly.
You understand me?
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this important point when we say you don't drop. We get Oga Clement from Isolo in the wait on the line. Oga Clement, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Clement.
Morning. Bobby, if your car black people borrow me, na Niger Delta man you be.
We dey hear you right on.
Anyway, I want to contribute for this matter I want to discuss this morning.
Okay.
The thing we say, Nigeria will see the day biased when it comes to this religious and they divided somehow when it comes to religious and politics and ethnic issues. Because this same thing will happen for Zaire, so it's not different from the one that happened in Onitsha. Where those boys they protest, where army go do where say innocent girl where they go school die. You understand? Everything will be by power. Now they don't carry the same thing go not again. Those ones don't come react to them. But and in the second, at the other hand, these religious people for us, the way they carry things is they too high. You understand? Because the way this Boko Haram will take start with this. The rights we didn't get over these kind of issues. They don't get rights to stop army man wait there on convoy, there on uniform. You understand?
Oga Clement, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We get Oga Igo. Oga Igo, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
I see the hot, I see.
Oga Igbo,
Good morning, Oga Shukudi. Oga Ukubi, the controversial man, I greet you.
Good morning, Oga Igbo.
The guest in the studio, I greet you.
I greet you, brother. Well done.
According to Shukudi, and according to the Oga of Army, say, not only the grace of God, now he say no how he take come out from that place. Those who are not there, not going to understand. Ukubi and Shukudi, I go refresh your mind. This movement, don't start stay. This movement, they stay for Kaduna during the time of Abacha. Abacha arrested this man when he started this movement. When the man day young, Abacha arrested this man. Al-Salam came, and Al-Salam released the man, freed the man. You can go back and make your research. And when they searched that man's house, according to the information, it was the thing that he inside the house, not they related to anything like Islamic at all. This is what they find inside the house. And the Nigerian army not just there on their own. Go see people say they do peaceful protest. Go come go scatter them or go fight them. There must be something when you react them. Somebody not be they move now. You can just move. You can just begin to fight trouble. Or let's say the first the man. There must be something. May they try investigate what it caused the issue. God bless Nigeria, Wazobia Nigeria. I beg.
Oga Igbo, thank you very much for that your important contribution, and thank you for your support on top of Asi the Hot. We go like give you this good news. We know say you don't hear them. We dey on top of Go TV channel 98. Tell your people them for inside Abuja and spread the word. We go quickly rush enter inside this small market. When we go come back, Ezugu Chukudi Nkubi and Comrade Murphy go continue to discuss this issue wey happen for inside Zaria and how we go move forward from here. No go anywhere. Now still as it dey hot.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry